This is gonna sound bad.
So, let's normalize, morph, crossfade. Let's check out our tones. I dig these tones. Nice. Sick. Alright, what is this? It looks like almost a sine wave. It's pretty simple, so we can bring in something pretty intense into it. And turn on FM from B. Bad.
Gonna sound bad.
That sounds good. Yeah?
This is gonna sound bad.
Oh, down. Now that I feel dancey, that I know my drums are done. Faster. I'll call it Trucky Monkey right now.
It's gonna sound bad.
Remember, fam, if you're dehydrated, your DNA can't connect to the universe. So then you will not be, that's just writer's block.
Gonna sound bad.
Looking for a man in finance. Looking for a man in finance.
That's pretty easy.
Looking for a man in finance.
Probably final listen before exportation, before the exportation station, you know? Yeah.
Looking for a man in finance.
Okay, That's it. That's the sound, man. You can make bass out of anything, man. That's the sound. All right, let's get on to rage. We have flopper challenge. Flopper is perfect word for that. Let's get it done. Rage.
Oh man, this is gonna sound bad.
Let's go. Yes, sir. You know what it is? That drum and bass. Thank you, Rage. Up next, execution. Drip Battle Ting does indeed sound bad. We shall see. Good cover art. It matches possibly. Let's see.
This is gonna sound bad.
Dude, do we have another drum and bass submission? That's 3 drum and bass in the world. What's going on? The life is drum and bass. Life is bass and drums. We have Ew, That Sound Bad. 140 E minor, Earthwalker. Let's get it done.
Looking for a man. Looking for a man. Looking for a man.
Yeah, we got some color in here, huh? Is this color hybrid trap right here? Hybrid trap color? Up next, we have the one and only Jack Lowe. The drip or drown battle. You know what it is. Let's get it done, Jack Lowe.
Oh man, this is gonna sound bad.
If there's a word to describe this is that fizzy bubbly. Up next, we have Dreams with a 1 hour, no, twice as long. So we're probably gonna go halfway through. Hey. Okay, dude, that got me tripping. That got me tripping a little bit, man. Jimenez, is this you?
This is gonna sound bad.
This gonna sound bad. Bad. Oh, I want another laugh at the end, little giggle. Oh, I don't want to. We're in. Anonymous C.
This is gonna sound bad.
All right, anonymous C coming in, but he made something quick and dipped, dude. That's how you do it. If you don't got time, you don't got time. You just got to be C and just do it. Everyone put in those final responses. It looks like we have a clear winner. Awesome. Funky fresh. Jack Lowe. Coming in super hot with a high quality. Dude, check this.
Oh man, this is gonna sound bad.
Have a great day, man. Don't forget to follow the Twitch, subscribe if you can. Have a good night, guys. Stay fresh. Peace out. A-Town. Late.
Looking for a man in finance.